This is Marco, and in this video I'm going to talk about Shopify pricing plans and which one is the best for you. Before I begin with the video, I can offer you a 3-day of Shopify completely for free, no credit card required, and then you can get it for only 1 month, $1. So let's compare the prices. So you can pay monthly or pay yearly. If you pay yearly, of course, you will pay less money. But let's say we want to do monthly. So this is the most popular and it costs 36 euros a month. And you have standard analytics, inventory location, support, and local and global settings. This is perfect if you're just starting out, testing out new products, and etc. And of course, if you use my link, you don't have to pay $36. You will pay only $1 or €1 or whatever currency will be one. The next one is this kind of the same stuff, but you actually can add staff accounts. That means you, your partner, somebody you hired, they can be added to the Shopify and they can see certain things based on what you gave them on like what they can use. And the last one, which is definitely not for you if you are a beginner, but this is for more like advanced people. They get 15 staffs accounts, they get even a better 24/7 support, and they also have the global customization for $59 per market. So that's pretty much it. If you're just starting out, I would recommend the $36 one. If for some reason you need more people on the Shopify account, just go with the €100 ones. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.